When we take English classes, there are some mistakes that are commonly made by students which we're going to take a look at today. And just by knowing them will help you not make these mistakes in the classroom. The first one that we want to go over is the simple question, what is your name? So for example, a student whose name is Min Jong-won will simply introduce himself as, "Hi, my name is Min Jong-won." However, this can be confusing to a lot of English speakers since we say our name differently. Let me explain. Jong-won Min is actually the correct way to say his name, not Min Jong-won. So simply directly translating your name from Korean to English can be confusing to many English speakers. So to reiterate, the best way to do this is in Korean, introduce yourself as Min Jong-won. However, in English, you want to introduce your first name first and last name last, such as, "Hi, my name is Jong-won Min." The reason for this is because there are actually three parts to an English full name. For example, Michael, Jeffrey, Jordan. The first name is Michael, the middle name is Jeffrey, and the last name is Jordan. So, Min Jong-won, written correctly as Jong-won Min, can be confusing since there are three parts, Jong, Won, and Min. So make sure that when you're writing your name, you try to connect your first name, such as Jong-won, Jong-won, as one word, or Jong-won to signify that it's actually one name. Sometimes on a document, you might see a comma being used. The reason for this is to signify that the last name is being used first, such as Min, Jong-won. This lets the reader know that Min is the last name and Jong-won is the first name. This should only be used for a list of names, putting them in alphabetical order, or a document such as a list of authors. So if you're the only person on that document, you should write your name as Jong-won Min. The second problem that we want to take a look at, which is commonly as made as mistakes in the classroom, is what year are you? This can be confusing because we often ask for age in Korean, but we're not asking what year you were born. We're actually asking what year are you in college or what year are you in school? So the one way that we answer in Korean is by saying, "I'm in first grade," or "I'm in second grade," "I'm in third grade," or "I'm in fourth grade." But we actually don't say grade anymore when we're in college. We stop using the word grade from high school and on. So starting from high school and on, including college, we want to say first year, second year, third year, or fourth year. If you want to be more correct and use more natural phrases, we use expressions such as freshman for first year, sophomore for second year, junior for third year, and senior for fourth years. For some students, they might have gone to the Army for 2 years or taken a semester off, which we say 휴학 in Korean. For these students, they could be in their 5th year or even 6th year, and they can use the common expression as super senior. The third problem that we want to take a look at is whether you call your teacher in college as teacher or professor. The word in Korean, 선생님, can be translated to teacher or professor. However, in English, teacher is usually used reserved for instructors at a school, usually until high school. For the expression professor, you want to use this term for instructors at the college level since they're more specialized instructors. So for example, a high school teacher, you want to call them as Mr. Park or Miss Wilkinson. But at the college level, you want to call them Professor Park or Professor Wilkinson. What are the situations when you want to call your instructor by their first name? First of all, this is highly unrecommended because it can be seen as rude. So to start with, you should always address your teachers appropriately as Mr. Park or Miss Wilkinson, or as Professor, Professor Park or Professor Wilkinson. Only in those special circumstances when they give you permission to use their first name should it be used. So with these three mistakes that we just took a look at, I hope you understand what they are and that you don't make them the next time you're in class.